Hey guys, I am Phil Mackenzie, ex-professional rugby player, and I'm going to show you how to do a quick body weight hit to stay fitter, healthier, and leaner all year round. I used to spend hours and hours in the gym when I was a professional rugby player. It was super intensive and there was no way I could sustain that lifestyle post-rugby career. So here I am, I'm a new father, new business owner, and I am fitter and leaner than ever before by combining HIIT training and healthy lean foods. So follow along, do this workout 3 to 5 times. And all right, so grab a quick sip of water. Get excited because we're about to get lean. Get into it, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Follow along with me. First one we're gonna start with is jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So I'm just throwing my feet in and out, nice and quick. So the idea with HIIT training is we're lifting the heart rate up as high as we can, or near our max capacity for a short duration, and then we're gonna get 10 seconds rest, and we're gonna do our best to recover, and we're gonna keep repeating 2, 1, rest, okay? So we got 10 seconds. Next one we're gonna do is mountain climbers, okay? So mountain climber, my hands are in the ground, just nice long range, driving the knees forward. Ten seconds. So you want to push it, like I said, as hard as you can. The whole idea is that the harder we go, the more we burn when we're done the workout. 2, 1. Whew. My heart rate's already up. We're 2 exercises in. Okay, next up is push-ups. We're gonna tone the arms while the heart rate's high. 2, 1. So everything's nice and tight. Now, if you struggle with the push-ups, that is 100% okay. Drop down to the knees. Just keep that good form. 10 seconds. 2, 1, wow. All right, we're gonna pick it up here. We're gonna go 4 or 6 high knees into a half burpee. 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Drop down and up. 1, 4, 5, 6. So, you can see my core is working when I'm doing this, and this is what gets your whole body nice and toned, and you're not lifting crazy heavy weights. Whew. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go into an ab exercise, sit-ups with punches. Wow. So it should be hard to breathe. 2, 1. So you're just going nice and quick. Really exaggerate the punch. 10 seconds. Oh man. 2, 1. We're gonna stay down here. Oh wow, okay. This is good though. I always remind myself how good I feel when it's all said and done. 2, 1, so we're going in and out sit up. If this one's really hard, just go to crunches. Everyone's lean during is different. That's why everyone gets a different plan. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're back up. We're going 6 cross body mountain climbers into a jump. 1, 3, 5, 6, and jump up. 1, 2, 4. The good thing about cross body is it works your obliques. 2. Oh, and rest. Oh, wow, we're getting there. Okay, we're really gonna lift it up here. Going old school burpees. Oh, you gotta dig deep. 2, 1, 1. There we go. Jump up nice and high. Wow, if you're struggling, just dig deep, remind yourself, this is the last minute here. Last minute, this is where I get really excited. On my elbows, 2, 1, oh, elbows in. So, again, there's always an exercise you can do. If this is hard, just hold the plank. Whew. Keep your hips nice and square. 2, 1. Oh wow. Hey. Last one. We're going in and out squat. 2, 1. So low to high, low to high. Keep going. Big lean. Smile on your face. Oh. Wow. So it's amazing how much you can get out of your body with no weights. 2, 1. Oh my gosh. That was 5 minutes. That was 5 minutes. Hopefully you can see there. And it's, my heart rate is up. Now you do this 3 to 4 times. Wow. And that's your job done today. For way more leanness, tons of free recipes, workouts, and everything lean and in between, follow Lean Squad on Instagram or click the learn more button, fill out your information, and I personally will get in touch with you to help you start your lean journey today.